Pumarex G17 Gen 5 MOS accuracy test using 0.25 gram JERBD. So ang site nito is 12 o'clock. So ayan, medyo malayo na. Firing. Double tap. Isa pa. Okay. Walang target. So, tamaan natin yung pinaka dulo nung gas tank. Isa pa. Double tap. Wala na. So, ayun. Thank you very much.